Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be doing a realistic 24-hour dropshipping challenge where I'm going to start a store from scratch and see the results after 24 hours. Now I'm going to need to build the store, create the ads, and launch everything all within the 24 hours. Now I'm making this video to try and show you guys how easy it really is to start dropshipping in 2024 and how fast that you can launch your very own dropshipping business. Now to make things quick and easy, I'm going to be using a free AI tool to help me out, which I will leave the link down below in the description so you guys can use it too if you would like to take advantage of this as well. All right, so we only have 24 hours and I'm gonna start the timer now. So it's 10:30 p.m. So let's get to work. So first thing that we're gonna need to do is build out our store and select the products that we are gonna wanna sell. Now I'm gonna be doing this all through the free AI store builder tool where AI will build me a complete professional store in less than 10 minutes. Now this AI even preloads on winning products onto your store. So it's gonna save us tons of time and effort from having to build the store from scratch and do all the product research so we can really maximize on the amount of time that our store is live and able to make sales. Now again, if you guys want to take advantage of this as well, I'll leave the link down below in the description so you guys can get access to this free tool as well. So let's head over to the AI store builder and build out our store and see what winning products that they load onto it and see if any of those are good ones that we want to try and start selling. All right guys, so now we're on the AI store builder. So we're just going to get started right away and start building out our custom built dropshipping store. So just gonna come right here and build my free store and enter in a little bit of information here. So once we've filled out our name and email address, we're just gonna click next. So now we're just gonna go through the AI store builder and start building out our store. So I'm just gonna go with fashion apparel for our niche, choose some banners for our homepage here, then create our Shopify store. And we're just gonna quickly answer all these questions here. And then we're just gonna select a plan that we wanna try. So we're just gonna sign up for the basic plan. It's actually only $1 for the first 3 months. So this is a crazy deal if you guys also want to take advantage of this through the AI store builder. It's an exclusive offer, I'm pretty sure. Great, so just filled out all my information. Now we have created our Shopify store. So just gonna copy the link there, head back to the AI store builder. And then we're just gonna paste our link right into this step right here. Connect the AI store builder to our Shopify store. We already signed up for our plan. Just skip this step, click done. And then we're just gonna simply install the AI store builder onto our store, which is super nice. There we go, customize our store. Now guys, this is actually insane how you can build a store this fast. You're seeing it right before your eyes, how fast we're building this store with AI. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to connect our store to a world-class dropshipping supplier, and guess what? It's only 99 cents to get started with them, and you literally get full access to one of the #1 dropshipping suppliers in the world, and they're called AutoDS. Now all we have to do is scroll down right here and click a button, and then we'll have access to a completely automated fulfillment center which will connect with all the products on our Shopify store. And as soon as you get an order, they will pack it, ship it directly to your customer. They work with e-commerce marketers all across the world, and AutoDS didn't get to becoming one of the largest dropshipping suppliers in the world by being bad. They offer faster shipping times, cheaper product costs, and customer support whenever you need it. So now I'm gonna make an account on AutoDS right here in the AI store builder software and automatically connect it to my Shopify store so that when an order comes in, it will automatically get shipped out for me and I don't have to worry about a single thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up for AutoDS now and connect this to my Shopify store. Okay, great. I just finished signing up for AutoDS. So now we're just gonna click done right here. And then actually inside the AI store builder, they give you access to an exclusive deal with TikTok ads, which is what we're gonna actually be doing to advertise on our store in this 24-hour dropshipping challenge. So we're actually just gonna take advantage of this crazy offer that they're giving away and get some free ad credits, because why not boost up some profits? So I'm just gonna go ahead and sign up for a TikTok ad account here, and then I'll see you when I'm finished this. All right, so I just finished signing up for my TikTok ad account, headed back to the AI store builder. Now we're just gonna click done. Boom. We're just gonna publish our store and get this puppy all ready to go. So we're just gonna remove that and click the save button right there, and boom, our store is live. Okay, so now let's see what products that we wanna select to try and sell in this 24-hour dropshipping challenge. Okay, so let's head over to here. Remember, we chose women's fashion apparel. So just kind of going through these, briefly, this one kind of caught my eye, which is a pair of bow jeans right here. So these are some pretty cool jeans, and I could see these selling very, very well on TikTok ads actually. So you know what? I think we're probably gonna go with this product after kind of taking a quick look at all these other ones. There's some pretty good like winter products, like some PJs right here, some other jeans and stuff like that. But I don't know, these bow jeans really kind of just caught my eye. And women's clothing has been selling very, very well on TikTok recently. So I think these are definitely worth a shot. All right, so I've went ahead and I've completed setting up our domain and also filling out a bunch of different settings on our store to make it live, and I've activated Shopify payments. So this has taken me a little bit of time. So let's see what time it is right now. So as you can see, it is 10:49 p.m. now. So within, what was that, less than 20 minutes, we got a winning product selected, a Shopify store built out, and a domain secured. So we've done absolutely all the setup that we need to do in only 20 minutes, which is absolutely crazy. So now becomes the fun part. We're gonna go onto TikTok right here on my phone, and I'm gonna see if there's any good content that we can take off of TikTok to launch some advertisements. So I'm just on TikTok right now, and I'm just gonna search up the keyword bow jeans in here. And as you can see, there's a bunch of bow jeans kind of stuff that's popping up. This is actually a really good video right here. She's wearing the exact jeans, kind of doing some poses with them. This video looks really, really good. So I'm just gonna save this one right here. And we're gonna see if we can't find, you know, a little bit more creatives that we could use. This one actually looks very well as well. So I'm just gonna save that one too. What about this one right here? What are these? And perfect, here's another one that we can use. So these are 3 solid videos that we can actually use and turn into advertisements for our store. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and head into CapCut on my phone, and I'm gonna mash these videos together and change up the metadata and turn these videos that we just found on TikTok into advertisements. All right guys, so I've just spent like the last couple of minutes here downloading these videos and then popping them into CapCut, the free video editing app. And we've kind of just come up with some ads right here. So I'll show you guys a couple of these ones that I've made from some of the videos that we've took off of TikTok. As you can see, we found these ones on here, and it's super simple. And then what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go into the TikTok video editor and add some text onto these on top of it. But we're just gonna do the initial editing all in CapCut right here. So I found one more video after I turned off the screen recording that we're going to use. This was a cool like little transition. So these are really just the ads that we're going to use here, and put, you know, some trending sounds in the background of all the ads as well. So these are the ads that we're going to be using for this 24-hour dropshipping challenge. So I'm super stoked to launch these up and see how they do. So now I'm going to head into the ads manager, and I've also went ahead and just added $50 in balance. So that's all we're going to use to test. Is we're going to test this product with $50. So I've loaded up the balance. You can see right there, $50. So let's head to campaign, and why don't we set up our testing campaign for TikTok ads. All right guys, I have finished setting up the ads. It is now 11:40 p.m. So just an hour and 10 minutes after we initially started this challenge and initially built out our store. So what I did here, just to show you guys, I just did one single CBO with a $50 budget. And inside that, I have 5 ad groups, just broad targeting, TikTok only, and females 18 plus. And inside of these, we have our 3 ads right here that we made earlier just by scraping content on TikTok. So right now, obviously our account is still under review. So I'm hoping that when I go to bed, our account will get approved, and then our ads will start rolling for tomorrow, and we'll be able to generate some sort of sales within the first 24 hours of starting a store, which is absolutely crazy in my opinion on how fast you can actually do this. So now everything is set up. We have our ads ready to go. We have our landing page that is also ready to go, and all of our upsell products on there too. You know, obviously this landing page isn't crazy, but it is good enough to launch a test. and it is good enough to see if a product has some sort of potential in the market. So what I would usually do is I'd test a product using, the AI store builder and then get some validation on that product. And then I would go on and build out a more comprehensive landing page, maybe a better description, maybe add even like a size chart in here for this particular product. But in the meantime, as of right now, it's just not worth it to do that before seeing any sort of results of the product. So now we're just going to wait until tomorrow and we're going to see what type of results. Hopefully our ads get approved and everything goes smoothly there. But I will see you guys tomorrow with a little check-in, maybe tomorrow afternoon, and see if we got any sales. All right, guys. So I just woke up, just finished getting ready for the day, and I kind of have some exciting news. So it is now 10:21 a.m. as you can see right there, and I logged on to the Shopify store here. We actually got our very first sale for $29. Now this came in at 8 a.m. this morning. Do a little refresh check to show that it's legit, but we got our very first sale in the store, guys. Super stoked. We're now almost 12 hours into this challenge, so still lots of time to go left. Again, check in on the ads, see if there's any optimizations that we can make. Super happy with the results so far, and I'll keep you guys posted on everything throughout the day. All right, guys, just want to give a little bit of an update on the challenge. We just got one more sale right here, as you can see, just came in. So let's do a little bit of a check on how we're doing so far on the day here. We've done $119 in sales so far on the day, as you can see right there. We had a really good past hour where 2 sales came in at 1 p.m. right there. So yeah, super stoked about this actually. This is some crazy results so far, and we still have tons of time still left in the challenge. We're still around 8.5 hours. So I'll see you guys on the next update. I'm really thinking we might have a serious winning product on our hands here. I'm super stoked to see how this goes, and I'll update you guys in a bit. All right, guys, just out doing a little bit of shopping right now. I might grab a new TV, but I just want to give you guys a quick little update. It's 4 p.m. right now, and unfortunately, no new sales have come in since we hit a workout. I'll show you guys a Shopify dashboard. Still at $119 on the day. I'm hoping for a couple more sales, maybe 1 or 2 before the end of the day. I'd be super happy with that. But overall, still going strong, but slowing down a little bit right now. See you guys on the next update. All right, guys, just doing one more check-in right now. We actually just got 2 sales this hour. So you can see all the notifications, Shopify on the screen there. So now this brings our total sales for the day at $180. That's just absolutely crazy because we still do have around 4 hours left in this challenge, a little less than 4 hours. Maybe we can get a couple more and break $200. That would be absolutely insane for the first day of launch. And remember, we're only spending $50 on ads today. So we're already in profit, guys. This is absolutely insane. I did not expect it to go this well, but I'll see you guys on the next check-in. All right, guys, it is 24 hours later. It is 10:30 p.m. the next day now, and that has successfully concluded the 24-hour dropshipping challenge. And man, am I super excited to share with you guys the results that we were able to get for this challenge. So as you can see here, we made a total of $209 in sales, which is absolutely incredible and kind of insane if I'm being honest. I was quite shocked on how many sales we actually did get. I'll do a little refresh check here for you guys. For all the haters saying this is fake, here's a refresh, not 1 but 2, showing that this is legit. So we made a total of $209 in sales, 102 visitors on the website, and we actually saw some crazy interest in this product with 12 add to carts, 7 reach checkout, and 7 people converted. I think it was because we did price our product fairly low. $29 for a pair of jeans is kind of a steal if you ask me. But if we head over to the orders here, we can actually see this person named Sydney actually did order twice. So we got 1 double order in here, which kind of made up for a bunch of revenue in there. And as you can see, we did start strong in the morning, but the afternoon and night, it was actually pretty steady throughout the entire day. When we take a look at the ads manager, as you can see here, it tracked 8 conversions total. So it did double track one of our sales, and we got a $5.65 cost per purchase, which is absolutely insane. This is kind of crazy. I think that it'll be hard to upkeep this, especially at scale, because we are spending such a low budget on ads. We're able to get a higher return. Spending thousands of dollars, I wouldn't expect this type of return right here. You can also see how many our cost per click, and our clicks right here, obviously they didn't track too well because we actually did get 102 website visitors, but it's only saying that we got 41 right there. So it's just a little bit of mistracking with the iOS 14 update on TikTok. I find this happens quite a lot. So our cost per click was actually roughly around half this number. Essentially, the moral of the story and what I wanted to make this video and really highlight is how easy it is to actually get started in dropshipping and start seeing some initial success. You really just have to find a product, which you don't even need to do because the free AI store builder will do it for you. Build a store, which the AI store builder will do for you as well. And then just find some content off TikTok and launch some TikTok ads. And especially with the promotion that they have going on, we've already spent, $45 and we'll get, $30 in ad credits. So this will help you guys test so much more and so much faster at a cheaper cost all in all. But guys, if these results aren't enough for you to start dropshipping and give this a try for yourself, I honestly truly don't know what is. It has never been easier than literally right now to get started with this business model from the comfort of your own home. I mean, you literally saw me in the span of an hour and a half set up this entire store that has generated me $210 online. Now, right up here, I'm gonna do a little bit of the profit breakdown on how much profit this $209 actually was, because obviously this is revenue and not profit. I'm sure you guys are interested to see how much money did we actually make. I truly think that this product that we actually have right here, these bow jeans, is actually a winning product. So what I'm probably gonna do after filming this is I'm gonna go on and start trying to scale this product and see if I can take this thing to next levels for Q4 and through Black Friday. Like literally now is the best time to get started if you haven't started already. So that is all for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna start posting so much more content on the channel and trying to drop some crazy value, a lot more guides and strategies. This one was more of kind of a challenge video, hopefully to inspire you guys to start dropshipping. And yeah, as I said before, I'm gonna leave the link down below to the AI store builder. Use it if you want, use it if you don't. It's 100% free. You don't need to pay a dime to use that software, which is super cool. I don't sell a course. I don't sell a mentorship. I'm not trying to make these videos to sell you guys anything. I'm literally here just trying to provide you guys value and, make content that I wish that I had when I first started dropshipping. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.